page number 270, question 8. Prepare the bank reconciliation statement of Priyal for December 2015 from the information given below. Now you are given with two balances. Bank overdraft as per cash book date 31/12/15 710, as well as bank overdraft as per passbook date 1/12/15 261. Raise your hand. What does it indicate? Which balance we have to start with? Or both will be taken? How will we deal with this? Raise your hand. Ishaq?
Sir, we started bank overdraft as per cash book because the statement is for December 2015 and the date is 31/12.
And what about the other one, 261?
It will be for the next month.
Okay, so now it's correct, but ignore 1/12/15. If you remember, when we used to solve cash book and passbook questions, what do you do with the opening balance? Take in both the books. You have it on the next page, question 10. What is opening balance of cash book? 6,000. Then next page, passbook's opening balance 6,000. Is it put in both the places or not? We never start DRS with opening balance. We always start DRS with closing balance. Either you start with closing balance of cash book and you end with closing balance of passbook, or you start with closing balance of passbook and end with closing balance of cash book. To confuse you, they have given two balances. So underline 1/12/15 and on the right side, there are no effect since opening balance. Okay, no effect since opening balance. We always have to start with closing balance. So we'll start with that 31/12/15 710. Then bank overdraft as per cash book. Now see here, bank overdraft as per cash book, we will write down credits. Did everyone understand this? So write down bank overdraft as per cash book on credit side 710. Raise your hand who is not clear with it. Now, second and third market important to understand how to deal with this. Informations of checks deposited and credited in passbook is as under. Now, amount, then date of check deposited in the bank. Where is written date of check deposited in the bank? Write down debit in cash book, debit in CD. When you deposit the check in the bank, before that you will receive the check and debit in cash book. Where is written date of check credited in passbook, simply underline credited in passbook, directly given. Now understand this, 2,300. When is it debited in cash book? 15/12/15. When is it credited in passbook? 18/12/15. Means in December itself, it is debited in cash book as well as credited in passbook. No effect in DRS. Next, 7,200. When is it debited in cash book? 17/12/15. When is it credited in passbook? 17/12/15. Means in December itself it is debited in cash book as well as credited in passbook. No effect. However, 4,600. When is it debited in cash book? 27/12/15. But when is it credited in passbook? 1st January. Means it is not credited in December, so we will credit it DRS. Same way, 1,500. When is it debited in cash book? 30th December. When is it credited in passbook? 2nd January. Means not credited in December, so we will credit in DRS. Which two amounts will you credit? 4,600 and 1,500. Okay. So underline 27/12 1116, underline 30/12 and 2116. These two amounts we have to credit in DRS. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Okay, so reason will be checks deposited but not yet collected by the bank. Okay, checks deposited but not yet collected by the bank. In bracket 4600 plus 1500. 6100 is debited in cash book but not credited in passbook in December, so credit in PRS. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Exactly similar one is the next one, but issued. See that? Information of checks drawn means issued and presented in bank is as under amount. Now where is written date of check drawn, right? Credit in cash book, credit in CV. When you give the check, you will credit in cash book. And on the other side, date of check where it's written presented in bank, right? Debit in PB, debit in passbook. Now, 8200, when is it credited in cash book? December. When is it debited in passbook? December. It is credited in cash book as well as debited in passbook in the same month. No effect. 9300. When is it credited in cash book? December. But when is it debited in passbook? January. Means it is not debited in passbook in December. So debited. Yeah. So unlike that 80, 28, 12, 15 and 1, 1, 16. This will come. 7100. When is it credited in cash book? December. When is it debited in passbook? December. Not a reason of difference. Okay. Last 1300. When is it credited in cash book? December. But when is it debited in passbook? January. This is a reason of difference. And then 31, 12, 15 and 2, 1, 16. So we will debit which amounts in DRS? 9300 and 1300. They are credited in cash book but not debited in passbook in December. So checks issued but not yet presented for payment. Checks issued but not yet presented for payment. In bracket 9300 plus 1300, 10,600. 10,600 is credited in cash book in December but not debited in passbook, so debit in DRS. Anyone having any doubt of this? Next, interest of 400 and then credited by bank in passbook is recorded on and then payment side in cash book by mistake. One more rectification, see here. Cash book, passbook. Interest of 400 credited by bank in passbook means in passbook it is there on which side? Credit side. Where should it come in cash book? Debit side, but there is a mistake. It is recorded on payment side in cash book means where is it recorded in cash book? Credit side. Mistake is done. Instead of debiting that amount, we have recorded on credit side. So now what amount will you debit? 800. This 400 which is not recorded plus this 400 which is wrongly credited. So now what amount will you debit in DRS? 800. To rectify the mistake. Error of recording on wrong side. If you have to go to Alkapuri 3 kilometers, someone misguides you. Instead of this direction, he says Alkapuri is this direction. You go this direction 3 kilometers. Now how much you have to travel? 6 kilometers. 400 we had to debit, but by mistake we have recorded on credit side. So now what amount will you debit? 800 rupees. This I make you write in the summary. If you record on the wrong side, then double amount you will record on the correct side. Show this workings. Anyone who is not clear why 800 will be debited, raise your hand. All are clear with this? Do you all make the workings? So reason will be interest credited by bank, interest credited by bank wrongly recorded on payment side of cash book. Wrongly recorded on payment side of cash book. So now 800 rupees we will debit to rectify the same. Is everyone clear with this? Anyone having any doubt, you raise your hand. Next. Bank has collected dividend of rupees 360 on behalf of Priyal. We are making it for Priyal, which is not recorded in cash book. And not recorded in cash book. Now tell me, collected the dividend, so is it a receipt or a payment? Receipt. And it is not recorded in cash book, so debited. Yes. Bank has collected the dividend means bank has credited in passbook, but it is not yet debited in cash book, so debited. Yes. Dividend directly collected by the bank. Dividend directly collected by the bank. So we will debit 360. Any doubts up till here? Then next. Bank has recorded interest on overdraft 120 in passbook, but this transaction is underlined not recorded in cash book. Now tell me, what is interest on overdraft? Income or expense? Expense. We have to pay interest on overdraft to the bank. So is it a receipt or a payment? Payment. And it is not recorded in cash book, so credited. Yes. Bank has recorded means bank has debited interest on overdraft in passbook, but it is not yet credited in cash book, so credited. Yes. Interest on overdraft. Interest on overdraft not recorded in cash book. Okay, interest on overdraft not recorded in cash book. So 120 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in BRS. Any confusions with this? All are clear up till the fifth reason? Raise your hand who is still writing the fifth one. Shall I proceed with 6? Bank has, 7 here. Sales made by check 2,300 recorded by bank in personal account of Priya. Understand this mistake. Sales made. Normally we have two types of accounts, savings account and current account. If sales are made by the business, then it should be recorded in which account? Current account. But bank has recorded in personal account. We will make always DRS for current account only. You make DRS for business. Business means which bank account? Current account. So here when they say underline recorded by bank in personal account, it means above that right, not recorded in current account. When they say recorded by bank in personal account means it is not recorded by bank in current account. Means it is not appearing in which book? Passbook. From business point of view, it is there in cash book but it is not appearing in passbook. It is there in passbook but wrong passbook. Instead of business passbook, it is there in house passbook, savings passbook. From business point of view, it is not there in business accounts, current accounts, passbook. Understood this? So sales is made means it is a receipt but not recorded in passbook, so credited DRS. Okay, sales made by check means we received the check, so 2,300 is debited in cash book but not credited in current accounts, passbook, so credited DRS. Now, sales made by check. Sales made by check wrongly recorded by bank in personal account. So it is debited in cash book but not credited in passbook, so credited BRS. Is everyone clear with this? Then next, bank has reversed bank charges of 380 on request of clear, which is not recorded in cash book. Now understand this. Eighth one, bank charges. Normally bank charges of 380 comes in passbook on debit side and cash book on credit side. Now bank has reversed on our request. They have cancelled, they have waived our bank charges. But this one is not yet recorded in cash. Means 380 bank has reversed and credited in passbook, but it is not yet debited in cash book. So debit in BRS. Show this workings for 8-1. Okay, bank charges, bank has reversed and credited in passbook, but it is not yet debited in cash book, so debit in BRS. Yes, Megha, what is the confusion? Clear with this? Normally bank charges is debited in passbook and credited in cash book. Now bank has reversed bank charges of 380 on request of clear. So bank has reversed and recorded on credit side. They have cancelled the bank charges, but this one is not yet recorded in cash book. So bank charges reversed by the bank. Bank charges reversed by the bank, unrecorded in cash book. Okay, bank charges reversed by the bank, unrecorded in cash book. So 380 is credited in passbook but not yet debited in cash book, debited BRS. Is everyone clear with it? Then signature is forgotten in the check drawn and hence the check of 2000 is returned by the bank. Return means dishonor, but there is a difference. What is the difference? Understand? Check drawn. Drawn means issued. So we have given check of 2000 means in cash book it will come on the credit side, and in passbook at once it will come on the debit side. Now it is dishonored. It is dishonored, so bank will reverse and credit it, but it is not yet known to us, so it is not yet debited in cash book, so debited BRS. Opposite of earlier. Earlier we received a check in dishonor. Now this one is drawn means issued and dishonored. So it is credited in passbook but not yet debited in cash book, so debited BRS. Show this line works. Checks issued and dishonored. Checks issued and dishonored but not recorded in cash book. So 2000 is credited in passbook but not yet debited in cash book, so debited BRS. You understand, it is dishonored but opposite kind of dishonor. That was received and dishonored, this is given and dishonored. And the last one, 10th. Bank has collected bill of 3000 sent to the bank for collection and charged 100 for the same. This transaction is not recorded in cash book. And then collected and then not recorded in cash book. Now tell me, collected means is it a receipt or payment? Receipt. Not recorded in cash book means debit side. Okay, but bank has collected bill of what amount? 3000 plus they have levied charges of 100. Means how much amount will be collected by the bank? Net amount will that will go in our bank account? 2900. They are collecting 3000 on our behalf, but for giving this service they are charging 100 rupees. So what is the amount that will get deposited in our account? 2900. 2900 is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, so debited. Yes. So bills for collection collected by the bank but not recorded in cash book. In bracket you can show 3000 minus 100 of charges, so 2900 is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, so debited PRS. Now debit side looks more. So debit side total 10,000, 12, 14, 15, 4, 7, 16, 9, 17,040.
Yes, sir.
17040 will come on both the sides. Minus 6, 8, 9, 9,230. Please subtract. Then 7,810. Now we started with cash book, so we will end with, and passbook's credit is called bank balance. So answer will be bank balance as per passbook. Did all of you understand this? Any doubts with it?